It's a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe. It's a hop in the ride. Just suicide, yeah, yeah. Slow it down. Dirty spray, yeah, yeah, yeah. My bitch don't kill my vibe.
Hey guys, what's up, girl? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bree. So, hey guys, what's up? Hey guys, what's up? It's Bree. Welcome back to my channel, girl. So today, you guys, my hair is looking a mess. Let me show y'all. So I just did my makeup, y'all. I have to record a few videos, so I wanted to come and show you guys how I fix my hair up. I know a lot of people get frontals and wigs and be like, how do you keep your hair up? So I was gonna take it off, but I don't think I have to take it off. I had this on since last week, so it's been on for a week. My hair been on for a week. Not a week, because I did it Wednesday. Today is Monday, so it's been on for 5 days, and that's like the longest I keep my hair. Like, I never keep my hair on that long. I always keep it on for about 2 to 3 days, but I'm like, this thing is still on tight, so I'm just gonna clean it up and fix my baby edges and stuff like that. This hair company is Beautyforever. I'll leave the link to this unit down below. This is a loose wave, and this is only 150 density, but I still do like it. You guys know I never get a density that's 150, but it is really pretty and effortless. So I'm gonna show y'all how I like get it back together. So I haven't did nothing to my hair all week. I've been having it tied up because I've been at the gym a lot, so I really haven't did anything. Yeah, and I've been at the gym, girl, and it still look cute. Yeah, I've been at the gym and it's still not off, but I noticed that I have to kind of like just fix it up a little bit. So what I'm gonna do, I combed it out really well, no tangles. I dyed this hair jet black. It is so soft. So first thing I do when I want to tighten my hair up is detangle it, and then I'm gonna push. Sorry guys, I'm gonna push everything to the back and clip it so I can like really focus on the hairline. So I always do like a hair review on, like, you know, showing you guys how to apply units, but now I'm gonna show you guys how to like tidy up your unit, make your unit last, refreshing your unit. Okay, so I'm gonna get a mirror that's a little closer to me. Oh my gosh, like a magnifying mirror so I can see the damage. Okay, so it don't look bad at all, but we're gonna have to spray this thing back down. It does have makeup on it, but it's not bad. So I'm just pushing everything back, and then I'm gonna just take some Got2b. I'm not gonna re-glue it because I'm only gonna keep this on for another 2 days, so I'm not even going to do all of that. So I'm gonna just take a little Got2b and take it and put it around the lace like that. I'm not gonna spray it directly because that gets really messy. So I'm just taking a little Got2b. Now I'm gonna get my blow dryer. This is what you do, y'all. Even if you didn't have your wig on long, but if your stylist kind of did your hair and you feel like, I feel like my lace is like not melted, because I feel like the lace is on, but it's time for me to like melt it out. I have to melt it because it's not melted. It's not melted anymore. So once I get my blow dryer, You're gonna turn it on like a cool air, like a warm, not too cool, not too hot, just warm. I'm gonna take the back of my comb. Sorry, it looks like this. If you are a hairstylist and you see this, it's probably like very cringy, but I'm so sorry. So, you're gonna hold it down with your comb and push it in. Make sure when you are pushing it down, it's already starting to look better. You're putting a lot of pressure on it because you want the lace to be as flat as possible. I'm gonna do the same thing right here. You're gonna push the baby edges back. And this only works for like units that have like good lace on it. And I love Beauty Forever. They always have great lace. I love their hair. I always work with them. And I love their hair. So we put the got to be, and just take your time. Take your time. So now we're gonna do this side. So first you wanna take your baby edges, even if your hairstylists have your baby edges like gelled on your forehead, you want to make sure you just brush it back. Nobody's telling you to put any alcohol, any water. Just try to brush it back or comb it out a little bit, because we want to get to the lace. And we can redo the baby edges later. That's not the problem. That's the easy part. We just want the lace to be back flawless. Make sure that your hairline is completely dry before you tie it down, just so it can be really, really flawless. So make sure your hairline is really dry. Now it's pretty dry. What I do is take some Naromi mousse, and the reason I use this is because it's alcohol free and it dries fast, it's non-flaking, and I just like this mousse, y'all. I really, really, really like this mousse for my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some on my hairline, just a little bit. Nobody's telling you to go ham, because you don't want to ruin all the lace work that you just did. So you need you some got to be spray, Naromi mousse. Am I not saying that right? I feel like I'm saying it so wrong. So make sure you blend it in like so. I'm gonna just mousse the top. It's already looking better. And this mousse dry really, really quick. That's why I love it so much. I'm gonna just blow dry it a little, just blow dry it a little bit. Okay, so my lace is still not flawless to me. Y'all know how I am. I try to get it as flawless as possible. So now I'm gonna just take this little elastic band thing, and I'm gonna basically squeeze it to I can't take no more. I'm gonna tie it as tight as I can't take no more. So you're gonna use some type of band like this, elastic band. You can get it from your local beauty supply store for about $3 to $4 for a whole roll. You just cut it and you use it. So I'm gonna stretch this out, or you can use like a stocking, pantyhose. Oh, you're gonna have to squeeze it really, really tight. That band off. I'm just gonna put this tighter one on top of it, because when I take it off, I feel like it's lifting too much of the product up. You just want to make sure that you don't really move much of this band until it's completely dry. That is the key. So if I put this on and I take it off right now, your lace is not gonna be melted because it's not completely dry, okay? So in order to get it completely dry, if you're in a rush, girl, blow dry it. Blow dry it, because it needs to be dry. Before you do baby hair, before you do anything, it needs to be 100% dry, not 20%, not 30%, 100% dry. So that's another tip, 100% dry. While I'm letting this dry, I feel like, okay, let me do something with my time. So what I'm gonna do is add a few curls in this unit. So I don't want this to be tight, because I like to push it behind my ear and I just don't want it to look tight. So I'm gonna use this little curling iron from Remington. Am I saying that right? Girl, you know I be fucking up all the words now. I got my hot comb getting hot. I'm gonna sit it right here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put my one curlers up, and we're gonna put about, I would say about 8 one curls. So that'll be done by the time we focus on the front, because the curls are nothing. As long as the front and the hairline is together, girl, it doesn't matter. Nothing matters but my hairline, okay? Period. You can't take no pictures. If your hairline is busted, I mean, you can take some pictures, but you're gonna have to smooth it out, which is okay, but you just don't want to do all that. So that's the first thing people look at. People not gonna be looking at your curls like that. They're gonna look at your hairline, babe. Tangled. This is only 150 density, so you don't want to put too much oil. I haven't put any oil on this hair whatsoever, because if I put oil on it, it's gonna just weigh it down more, and I don't want that. So I'm gonna just take my one curlers. Ooh, these things get hot. I'll try to link this down below for you guys, but I'm sure I got this from the thrift store, but these things get so hot. And I'm gonna do this all around my head, and I'm curling backwards. I'm gonna hold it for a couple of seconds. Spray it with a little Got2b. I love Got2b. That's my favorite hairspray. Hold it until it cool down a little bit. Let it go and move around, girl. Move around. This should take you about a good 7 minutes. So you don't want to spray your hair before you curl it. You want to curl your hair first, like this. 1, 2, 3, and hold it for about 10 seconds. Ooh, it's burning my finger, but beauty is pain. And then hold it about right there. Spray it, hold it, let it cool, and let it relax. So you should get some curls like this. Really pretty. So I'm gonna do this all around my head. I'm not gonna record all of that because that's just pointless. So yeah. So we put some like really messy looking curls. It's okay, because we're not really going for all of that. So I'm gonna just lift this. This is how I take mine off, like that. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. That look good. Oh, it's already starting to look fresh. I'm gonna pull some of the curls out. Well, all of the curls, because I don't want it to be, look girl, you don't even need baby hair. You don't even need baby hair. So y'all know me, I like the top of my head to be really, really flat. I'm looking for my other wax stick. This, I really like this wax stick because it's a matte wax stick, so it don't look greasy, oily, or shiny. I don't want to add any oils to this hair like that because it's already a thinner hair. So it's like a mattifying. This is a really great wax stick. I'm gonna take my, oh, it was off, so I gotta let it but look at this. This is really pretty. I'm teaching you guys, like 2022, I'm trying to get really detailed with these wig reviews because they're not stopping, okay? I'm going to be trying some different colors as well. Okay. Make sure everything is nice and flat. And if you hot comb your hair and you get this little dent in your hair, just grab it and the dent eventually will come out. No worries. Y'all gonna slay y'all own hair and makeup this year. Okay, so everything is nice and flat. Okay. So we're gonna push this behind and we're gonna focus on these baby hairs. Now, if you guys wanna see a tutorial on how I do my baby hair, let me know. I'm gonna have to put a little bit of got to be right here. You see that lace is lifting, but that's not a problem. That's really easy peasy. So I already got my baby hair cut. So all I gotta do is just loosen up the product. You want to take your time with this. You don't want to rush it because you don't want to rush it. So what I do, take a little alcohol, girl, a little bit of alcohol, put it on the tip of the comb just to loosen up this product. You can use water as well, but I just use like alcohol because everything, I need to loosen this up. You want to keep hold your lace down, girl, because you don't want your lace to lift up. You just want the baby hairs to lift up. So that is it for my hair. I feel like it looks pretty fresh. I can keep this unit on for another 2 to 3 days before I like take it down, but I really love the way this hair looks. This is Beautyforever, so I'll leave everything, all the details to this hair company down below. You guys make sure you try those steps if you want to freshen up your hair throughout the week to keep your frontal looking good. And I'm gonna tie it up. Once I tie it up, it'll look even better because I want to tie it up a little bit more, but for now this is really cute. So thank you guys so much for watching. Check them out. I'll leave the link down below and I'll talk to you later. Bye guys.